Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Come spend the day with me as I explore a garden in town. I have never been to this garden before, so I look forward to seeing the flowers and so much more. I'm choosing a dress for the outfit of the day. This dress is a cotton dress from Mango. I absolutely love it. I love the simplicity of the dress and also the versatility. Prior to filming this video, I was sick, tired, and exhausted, so I left the dishes a bit messy. I'm so thankful for the weekend, so that way I have time to clean it up and catch up on things that I am behind. To prep for the morning, I do make really strong coffee. French roast, dark roast is my absolute favorite thus far. For breakfast, I'm making oats with plant milk and add a lot of chopped nuts and seeds for some protein. This has been my go-to breakfast to make lately because it is easy to make, it is fast, and also very filling. When I have time to enjoy breakfast, I usually have a better day. Nourishment is a great engine for my body and brain. These are the ones I just chopped the other day. It is a mix of everything. My coconut flakes are almost done, so I do need to go back to get some more. And then I refill the seeds here. The almond slices are almost done. So good. This is the French vanilla creamer. They did not have the coconut creamer, so that's why I got the French vanilla. It is still good. I do prefer the coconut creamer because it is so delicious. Not too sweet. prepping lunch to bring for the garden. We will most likely stay there the whole day. So I'm making a salad, a combination of greens, snow peas, artichokes, cucumbers, tomatoes, tofu, and flax seeds. Then I am bringing an orange and an apple for a well-balanced meal. This is the outfit for the day. Got my hat for the sunny day. I got everything all packed there, food and some few other stuff as well. My first impression of this garden is that it is popular and massive because we had such a hard time finding a parking. I love that the entrance has this beautiful water fountain surrounded with luscious flowers and curated plants. It was just so peaceful. I was mesmerized by how fresh and colorful the flowers were. The spring blooms were filled with different types of flowers, its variety and color. Such a joyous environment to be in. One area was designated for tulips and other delicate and breathtaking flowers. The landscape of this area was lovely, peaceful, and filled with curiosity. There was also a group of folks playing instruments, which was beautiful and fitting for the environment. After walking for a little while, we sat down, ate lunch, and just people watched. Folks were either playing sports or just chilling. The weather was perfect for just that, simply relaxing. We then made our way to the Japanese garden. The Japanese garden was so distinctive, zen and peaceful. I love the bright red bridge, bamboo trees, and the calm and peaceful pond. We then explored more into different areas of the park. Some areas created secluded nature feel, while others were on the open space with curated plants and flowers. I have always loved garden landscape, flowers, and nature. This visit has brought so much inspiration to my soul. I'm very happy with the decision. We're almost done. We have visited to all the flower places. It has been a lovely time so far. Yes, beautiful. Look at that. The purple area. If you have to choose purple or pink, which one would you choose more?
I really like choose purple, but I do like pink. Purple's not as prevalent.
I'm home visiting the garden. It was so beautiful. Perfect weather, lots of beautiful flowers. Really glad I went, and now I am so tired. We did a lot of walking. My feet are just killing me. So I'm just going to relax and have an easy night tonight. Right now it's almost 8. I'm gonna make a quick dinner, maybe watch a movie, drink my wine. This time is by Josh. This is a red blend, very good. I also love the Cabernet Sauvignon as well. So if you're in the store, want to check it out, they're delicious. For dinner, it is not very healthy. I will have this noodle dish, ramen noodle, instant noodle. Along with that, I'll use the zucchini, sugar snap peas, tomatoes, spinach, tofu, and the leftover steak. Yum. I will not be using this zucchini. I see a little bit of a moldy here, so I got to discard this. The hot peppers are from the garden. They're very spicy. I think this should be enough. I'm also going to use a bit of cabbage as well, since I can't use the zucchini.